Welcome to Lodi Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our large selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs, and comes equipped with OnStar, Sirius XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, premium audio system, steering wheel controls, keyless entry, air conditioning, traction control, cruise control, fog lights, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle we sell goes through a rigorous inspection process by our factory-trained mechanics, so you can buy with confidence knowing that your next vehicle is in the best possible condition. At Lodi Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, it is our goal to provide you with an excellent purchase and ownership experience. Our friendly and knowledgeable sales staff is here for you, whether you need special financing, service on your vehicle, or parts. We do it all in a professional and genuine manner. Come see us today and find out why so many people choose Lodi Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram as their preferred destination when purchasing a vehicle. We're located at 1255 South Beckman Road in Lodi. And remember, we're open till 8 every night and Sundays after church.